Yeah, hi, my name is Peter Gibson from Tecevo in Newcastle, Australia, and this is our library return sorter. We designed this about 6 years ago now for the library industry to sort their books and returns materials, and we've just installed one at Hutt Library in New Zealand.
New Zealand, yeah.
So,
So how did this sorter business all start?
yeah, we had a relative that worked in a library in the States, and he said to us that there was a market for a small-sized sorting machine for libraries that are in the United States. And so we designed this as part of a university project and then turned it into a business once we graduated. This is the 6th machine that we've installed. We have 3 in Melbourne at the moment and 1 in Sydney. And another one that we've upgraded since. And so we've got a few more planned on the books for the following year. And 2 more going into Melbourne later this year, and yeah, picking up.
Excellent. So yeah, I mean, you touched on it already, but why libraries in particular with the work that you were doing at uni?
Yeah, it was just an interesting project that we saw a need for. So it was something that we chose to develop to fill a need that existed, and we hope to turn it into a business, and well, I think hopefully we've succeeded in that.
Ta-da! Cool. So you said you've got 6 installed.
Yeah.
Have you got more lined up?
Yes, yeah, we've got 6 installed. We have 2 more that we're assembling currently, and they'll be installed in a few months' time. And then hopefully we'll pick up a few more sales this year. And we're looking to ramp up production next year, probably to about 10 units next year.
So can you just tell us a little bit more about the actual sorter itself? You guys have designed this from the ground up. This is all you.
Yes, yeah, we design everything. So I'm a software engineer by trade, and my business partner is a mechanical engineer, mechatronics. And we have sort of overlap in the middle with the electronics side of things. So my business partner Ben designed most of what you can see here, and a lot of that we fabricate in our factory in Newcastle. Some of it we order out and get delivered. And yeah, I write the control software for the machine and the interface software to interface with the Spider LMS that's made by Civica, which is what this library uses. And we have various interfaces to support different libraries as well. Yeah, so we designed everything here. Most of it's, yeah, as I said, assembled, manufactured by us, and we cut it all out on machinery and assemble it. And we have a team of guys working for us now to help us assemble them. For about 4 years there, it was just the 2 of us, so we used to do everything ourselves. It was a bit of a struggle, but we're growing our business and hoping to move up.
So talking of growing the business, what other stuff are you guys involved in?
We currently also do some advertising work. So we work for a company called JC&Co in Sydney and Melbourne, and we build innovative advertising panels for them. So they're advertising panels that have electronics or computer equipment inside. One of them was a voting panel we did recently. So it presents a question to the user, and they can vote on 2 choices. And the question can be updated each day, and the tallies can be collected across a number of sites. We also do dispensing panels for food product samples, and so we've done one for it gives away chocolate-coated coffee beans or little packets of mints. We even did one that dispensed cat food, samples of cat food. And more recently we did a refrigerated panel that dispensed yogurt. So that was challenging, assembling a fridge mechanism that would fit in the narrow dimensions of the advertising panel. Yeah, so that's been a very interesting process over the years. We have a lot of different work and a lot of different design challenges in that line of work.